writing my own fate. I don't like what I see, 'cause I'm the one that I hate. I stand beside my bed, the sheets don't feel the same, they're like sandpaper. I feel I've pulled a thread, and now you're treating me like I'm your neighbor. So don't wave from across the street, come on home, there's an empty seat waiting for you. Was it all in vain? 'Cause you left behind an endless hurricane. I lie down the floor, staring up above, holding the ring you wore when you walked through the door. I hide behind the walls, there's no one else to blame. I've learned my lesson. Each time the sound of your voice makes me say again, here's my confession.